Hey everyone, it's Jen Udink, your independent Norwex consultant here. Today I want to show you a demonstration on my bathroom mirror with some butter. I want to show you how amazing the mechanical cleaning is in the Norwex Envirocloth. We've got a damp Envirocloth here. You can see that, Envirocloth. And the polishing cloth versus a commercial window cleaner and paper towels. So I'm going to butter it and my twins here are going to clean it. All right. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Awesome. Come on, Jacob, you can do it.
Use the power of Norwex.
Okay. Clean it all the way off. I think we can agree that the power of the Norwex is a little more effective than the power of the commercial cleaner.
Oh.
There you go. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I hope that you found this informative and fun. And thank you, my helpers. And thanks for watching. We'll see you again.